In today's video, I'm going to teach you Writesonic versus ChatGPT 2025 Strategic Evaluation, Specialized Workflow versus General Intelligence. To make a clear decision in 2025, we're using a simple capability matrix that contrasts specialized marketing workflows with broad, general intelligence. Think of Writesonic as a publisher's engine and ChatGPT as an architect's brain. Each excels in a different lane, and choosing the right one depends on your goal, your data needs, your brand setup, and who's doing the work. Start with the content goal. Writesonic is tuned for SEO and conversion, giving you production-ready copy aimed at ranking and driving action. ChatGPT prioritizes reasoning and accuracy, making it ideal when the task demands logic, nuance, or precise thinking. Consider data sources. Writesonic taps real-time Google API signals, which helps align content to what's trending and searched right now. ChatGPT uses SearchGPT to conduct grounded lookups, supporting synthesis and verification across sources when you need depth and context. Next, identity and voice. Writesonic supports multi-brand voice out of the box, so agencies can keep each client's tone consistent across ads, blogs, and landing pages. ChatGPT leans on custom instructions, letting individuals or teams define preferences and reasoning style for consistent outputs across projects. Who is each best for? Writesonic fits marketing agencies that need scalable, on-brand materials fast. ChatGPT is a match for knowledge workers who analyze, plan, research, or solve complex problems all day. Zooming into Writesonic as the marketing specialist, it's SEO engineered with native Surfer SEO integration to help content rank quickly and meet on-page requirements. Its ad automation provides high conversion templates for multi-channel campaigns, so you can launch variations without reinventing the wheel. For volume, bulk workflows unify generation across large content calendars, ideal for editorial sprints or product-led content libraries. Now, ChatGPT as the logical powerhouse. It brings superior reasoning for coding, data tasks, and scientific logic, which shines when you need accuracy and explanation. It's natively multimodal, handling vision, audio, and data in a single thread, which streamlines complex analyses. For deep research, it's strong at brainstorming and synthesizing information into clear direction. And for developer logic, it's a primary tool for software architecture, refactoring, and debugging. Here's your strategic selection. Use Writesonic as the publisher when you need SEO optimization, brand compliance, and volume for marketing production. Use ChatGPT as the architect when you need logic, research, and problem-solving for strategic thinking. Match the tool to the task, and you'll move faster, with higher quality and fewer revisions.